Many automobile owners do not prioritize keeping their vehicles clean. And in the blink of an eye, this may quickly devolve into car odor and dirty seats and floors. It's much more challenging to keep your car clean if you have kids or frequently travel with your pets. Because of its adhesive nature, all dirt remains on the gel and does not get on your hands. It's effortless to operate and feels great in your palms. There are many products available to choose from. Cleaning gel for car. I have compiled a list from reputed brands and done a lot of research. People will see your choice and find the products very helpful. To help you make an informed decision on various features. The right products with different features and prices are determined from best cleaning gel for car. If you want to know about the price and other information, sure be check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Tik cleaning gel for car. Fully-fledged car cleaning gel is one of Amazon's best-selling items in the automobile category overall. The putty is intended to cleanse dusty air vents, soiled cup holders, console switches, and any areas that a vacuum cannot reach. This putty may be used to clean laptop keyboards, remote controllers, and even dusty completed Lego sets around the house. As long as the surface of an object is water resistant, the cleaning gel may fully adhere and do its work. Featured highlights. It's easy to use and only takes a few minutes to get the job done. It has a pleasant lavender scent which leaves your car smelling fresh and nice. It can be reused for several times. It's pocket-friendly. It's made of biodegradable material and is eco-friendly. It can be used to clean keyboards and other hard-to-clean places. It's ideal for vents, crooks, and cracks. It has a fresh lavender smell, which leaves your car smelling pleasant. It's eco-friendly and pocket-friendly. It can stretch and bend easily to reach all nooks and corners. It can be used to clean laptops, keyboards, remote panels, and many other things. It is durable and can be used multiple times. Number 2. 5-Joy Car Cleaning Gels. Universal Cleaning Gels. Car cleansing gels are best for cleansing the nooks and crannies of your auto. Simple and handy cleansing kits for digital merchandise and vehicle interiors and workplace merchandise, inclusive of PC computer keyboards, printers, sport consoles, cellular phones, calculators, TV remotes, speaker grills, fan grills, Xbox PS4 controllers, air circumstance vent, vehicle air vent, vehicle dashboard, window sill and grater. Easy to use. 5-Joy is a handy existence helper. Cleaning dust may be used at any time anywhere. Take a bit of the automobile detailing kit, knead it right into a bowl, then lay the gel on the dust surface, press it down 2-3 instances and roll slightly, then pull it up slowly. The dust could be taken away with the cleansing slime. It allows you to keep time. Safe and eco-friendly. Car cleansing putty is manufactured from biodegradable gel, now no longer sticky to hand. The mild perfume could be very clean, and now no longer pungent, with absolutely no stimulation to the skin. Note: the cleansing gels are edible, please hold them out of your baby. Reusable and easier storage. Those keyboard cleaners may be used again and again once more until the compound turns non-transparent. Easier storage, 320 grams total. Independent bag packaging is great. Number 3. DNA motor in car cleaning. High-quality DNA tools. Each object in our series is the end result of enormous studies and development, in addition to rigorous car utility checking out and fitments done with the aid of using our specially certified specialists. We take a look at the material's electricity and sturdiness to assure that the equipment arrives absolutely organized for or she meant to use on the consumer's end. Eco-friendly and reusable. The cleansing slime is manufactured from high-tech cleansing material. It may be used for numerous instances until the shade of the smooth keyboard flips to dark. After use, simply position the auto cleansing kit's common cleansing gel returned in a jar and held it in a fab place. Multiple uses. This fantastic cleansing jelly is likewise beneficial for domestic and office, PC keyboard and different rugged floor cleansing consisting of printers, cellular phones, calculators, TV faraway, and furniture. Note: the appropriate floor needs to be waterproof. How to use. An automotive detailing device is good for cleansing gaps and cavities. Push automobile cleanser add-ons into cracks, and the crud sticks and pulls return out. You also compress the element putty on the keyboard floor, after which you pull out the auto gel cleanser slowly. Number 4. Click Clean Cleaning Gel for car. Keep the palm dry earlier than use, and rub and preserve dirt cleansing putty for 30 seconds to boom the viscosity and toughness. Press the dirt cleansing slime jelly down and raise it for cleansing up dirt, crumbs, hair, puppy hair. Cleaning glue must now no longer be used on a moist floor with water. Cleaner gel is pretty appropriate for PVC and waterproof surfaces. This keyboard purifier may be used for more than one instance till the gel turns black. Please position the gum into the seal % after use and save it in a groovy dry place. Effective cleaning. It can smooth dirt with inside the air vent, tool panel, door handle, and more. Warning: the cleansing gels are not edible, please hold them out of reach of infants. Reusable. The automobile cleansing gel may be reused till the gel darkens. Safe and eco-friendly. Car gel for cleansing is a product of safe, non-poisonous cleansing cloth that doesn't cause inflammation or stick to your hands. Easy to use. Press and roll the gel on an automobile indoors, after which pull up slowly to do away with dust and grime. Multiple uses. Dust elimination gel can smooth automobile interiors, laptop keyboards, printers, remotes, calculators, electric-powered enthusiasts, and more. Number 5. Cleaning gel for car. Perfect car cleaning tool. Cleaning gel is designed to ease vehicle air vents, steerage wheels, console panels, garage bins, cup holders, door handles, dashboards, and different hard-to-attain spaces. Easy to use. Push vehicle cleansing gel into any little cracks. Press the vehicle vent purifier on, and the dirt could be overexcited. You also can press the keyboard purifier barely on the keyboard floor, after which you pull it out slowly. The dirt could be overexcited with the cleansing gel. Note: do not press the cleansing gel too hard, especially on a mechanical keyboard. Eco-friendly. This keyboard purifier is fabricated from the cleansing gel and smells like candy with a mild fragrance. The vehicle cleansing package can effortlessly choose dirt. Reusable. This auto vehicle detailing cleansing gel may be used for more than one instance till the gel turns black. Please place the gel into the sealed container after use and keep it in a groovy dry place. Do not use vehicle vent cleaners to wipe a smartphone display or PC monitor. Note: don't wash the ordinary cleansing gel with water. Multiple uses. The automotive dirt cleansing gel can simplest easy the automobile vents, dashboard vents, equipment shifts, knobs, door handles, air vents, CD slots, cup holders, and keyholes. However, additionally the house and office, PC keyboard, printer, smartphone, calculator, TV far-flung in furniture. The appropriate floor should be water resistant, or the dirt elimination for the automobile could keep on with it. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily. So to subscribe my channel, what should be the price by verifying the right product quality and what is the customer's demand. If you want to know product details or price, need any kind of more information, comment below. Any issues, stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for my watching.